So hey bros, and welcome back. So day one of the build. Chad's not here. I don't know where that dumbass is. He's probably drinking, full of wild turkey, being a dumbass. Got my car, probably doing a scud. So anyway, I'm just checking over the new weapon. Gonna give it a little bit of love because you gotta look mean when you're rolling into pop a set. So just testing out my new 3-footed monster. Not very scary. Don't know why it's called a monster. But it kind of acts like a bit of a dent puller because it's got magnets. But anyway, so just gonna set that stuff up, and then we'll show you how to make your car look mean, some cheap ways to fix some dents, and no skids today, too lazy. So make sure you gotta use the right stuff, because gotta make the car look fly. So she's a little dirty, but we'll get into this one. So that's ready for summer nets now. So you might be thinking, oh, how are you gonna get rid of that rust? You could do some welding, you can do some fiberglassing, you could buy another panel. That stuff's all expensive, So sounds like Chad might be here. Nah, I don't know. But anyway, so all that stuff costs money and that's expensive. I'm gonna show you how to fix your rust repair for, I don't know, $3-4. Just need this high-tech stuff. It's just super high-tech. So you need the right tools. One of these. It's a safety one, see? Blade comes down. I'm not cutting my fingers off today. And oh no bros, I really don't know what I'm doing here, Oh, here we go. And the second and most important thing you're gonna need to fix your rust repair, you guessed it bros, duct tape. So you just go like this. Well, that was close, that was nearly a finger. There you go bros, she's like new. Financial mistake, works for cars, women and children. There we go, like $3, car fixed, ready for summer nats. See you guys on the street, Later bros.